Whatever you're doing, that which makes you feel the most alive, that is where God is, said the man himself, who's none other than Saint Ignatius of Loyola. As we begin today's quiz, I feel privileged to announce you all that this year we are celebrating 500 years of conversion and 400 years of canonization of Saint Ignatius of Loyola. Let's thank the Almighty for blessing us and giving all of us Xaverians the opportunity to be a part of this grand event. Being a Xaverian, we shall strive to always walk on the path of the Almighty, path of truth, compassion, love, humility, generosity, and the most important, serving the Lord our God. Let us now seek the Lord's blessings as we proceed towards our event. I would now recite the Lord's Prayer written by Saint Ignatius of Loyola. Kindly join your hands and close your eyes for the Lord's Prayer. Lord, teach me to be generous, to serve you as you deserve, to give and not count the cost, to fight and not to heed the wounds, to toil and not to seek for rest, to labor and not to look for any reward, save that of knowing that I do your holy will. Amen. You may now open your eyes. As we move forward, now I request Father Headmaster to kindly address the gathering and declare today's event open. Father, please.
Okay, yeah. And good evening, Mona ma'am. Good evening, teachers, and good evening, my dear children. Today is a great day for all of us. I'm very happy that you took interest and ready to participate in the quiz competition. It helps us to grow as a person, as a mature person, to grow, to get rid of our fear, and also grow in knowledge. So today I'm very happy to declare the quiz contest to be opened, and I wish you all the best, children, and do well. May the blessing of God be upon you all the time. Thank you, children. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, Father. Beginning with the quiz, I would like to introduce to you all to the teachers on the panel for today's quiz. Mrs. Tripta Mehra will be taking care of the scores of the teams. Mrs. Pallavi Toor will be keeping a track of the time limit. Mrs. Reena Goyal will be helping us with the visuals today. And I, Jayanti Diwan, is your quiz master for the day. Now let's meet our participants for the day. I now request all the teams to kindly come forward and introduce themselves one by one. Let's begin with Team A. Team A, are you ready? A1, kindly introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Divyansh Lani and I am from Team A.
A2.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Kesha Trivedi and I am of class 4A.
A3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Soham Charles D'Souza. I am from class 4A.
Thank you, Team A. Now we move forward to Team B. Team B, kindly switch on your mic and camera and introduce yourself. B1.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Aradha. I am from class 4B.
B2.
Good evening, everyone. I am Shirin Pichu from class 4B.
B3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kushal Bansal. I am from class 4B.
Thank you, Team B. Now we move forward to Team C. Team C, C1, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Lakshika Kaushik and I am from Team C.
C2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Fark Kumar and I am from C3.
You are from class 4C? Okay. Shreyas, okay. C3, please introduce yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Shashi Roy. I am from Team C.
Thank you, Team C. Now we move forward to Team D. D1, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Satya Gupta. I am from 4D.
Thank you. D2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Banuraj Punyani and I am from class 4D.
D3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Van Singh Bandari, 4D.
Okay, thank you, Team D. Now we move forward. Okay, Team E, kindly introduce yourself. E1.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Abel Anish. I study in 4E.
E2. E2, are you there?
Yes.
We'll move forward to E3. There is some technical issue that E2 is facing. E2, can you hear us? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please introduce yourself, beta.
Good evening, everyone. I am Astitva Pandey. I study in 4th E.
Thank you. E3, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Samiksha Rajoria. I study in class 4E.
Thank you, Team E. Let's move forward. Team F, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Arna Pandey and I am from class 4F.
F2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Aman Singh. I am from class 4F.
Thank you. F3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kripa Leju and I am from class 4F.
Thank you, Team F. With this, we complete with the introduction of the entire panel and the participants. And I'm sure that we are going to have a great event this evening. Now let's move forward and begin with the quiz. So before I start with the questions, I would like to give you a few instructions and the rules for today's quiz. Children, I request you to please pay attention and listen to all the rules. So we have total 3 rounds for today. You will get 10 points for one correct answer, right? You will get 10 points for one correct answer, and the time limit for answering the questions is 15 seconds. I repeat, time limit for answering one question is 15 seconds. Now, as we move forward towards round 1, I request all the participants to switch off the cameras except Team A. Team A will keep the cameras on. Team C, C2, Parth, please switch off your camera, beta. Okay, we shall have only A1, A2, and A3 on the screen. So now let's begin. Children, I'll tell you one very important thing. When I ask you the question, please listen to the question carefully. Let me finish with the question, and then you are requested to raise the virtual hand that is available on the Zoom app, right? Please raise your hand on the Zoom app, right? Okay, so let's move forward to round number 1. So your round number 1 is answer the following questions. Let's see what is the question for team A.
Give me a second.
Sure, Rita ma'am, we'll
Yeah.
wait.
I hope everybody is able to see the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Let's have a look at the question. You have to simply answer this question. This is answer the following question. I'll be asking you the simple question. You have to answer it within 15 seconds, right? So all 3 team members from Team A, please be ready. Okay, Team A, your question is, what is the motto of Saint Ignatius? What is the motto of Saint Ignatius? Okay, Soham Charles D'Souza, A3, has raised the hand. Okay, beta, please answer.
Ad majorem de gloriam.
Right. Okay, I'd like to correct the pronunciation, ad majorem Dei gloriam. So this is the right answer. and you get 10 points for that. Congratulations. Good job. Okay, let's move forward. Team B, are you prepared? Are you ready? I request all the team members of Team A to kindly switch off the cameras, and Team B, please switch on your cameras. Team B, please switch on your cameras. Okay, Team B, are you ready? Team B, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
switch on the mic and say yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
I request Reena ma'am to kindly display the question for Team B. Team B, your question is, in which year was Saint Ignatius born? Okay, B1 has wants to answer. Please answer, Aradhya.
Ma'am, 1491.
Let's see the right answer. Correct answer. Good job. Okay, so that's the correct answer. All right, with this, we move forward. Team C, I hope you all are prepared. So I request Team B to kindly switch off the cameras and mic. And Team C, kindly switch on your cameras and mics. Team C, are you ready? Please say yes if you're ready. C1, C2,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
C3. Yes? Okay. Reena ma'am, please, question for Team C. Okay, Team C, your question is, during the war, the Ignatius was hit by a Shreyasi Roy. C3 has, you rose your hand first. Please answer.
Ma'am, cannonball.
Okay, let's see the answer. That's the correct answer. Ignatius was hit by a cannonball in his right leg. Okay, thank you. With this, Team C, you can switch off your cameras and mics, and we move forward to Team D. Team D, I hope you're ready, all of you all. Let's see the question for Team D. Please tell me if you're ready.
Yes, ma'am.
D1, D2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
D3?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Shreyasi, please switch off your camera. I request Team C to switch off the cameras. Okay, so let's see the question for Team D. Reena ma'am, please. Okay, so your question is, where was Saint Ignatius treated during his injury? Where was Saint Ignatius treated during his injury? Varun, D3, Varun Singh Bhandari, please switch on your mic and answer.
Ma'am, right leg.
Beta, please pay attention towards the question. Where was Saint Ignatius treated during his injury? I'm talking about the place, location. Pass. Anybody else who wants to answer?
Ma'am, time is up.
Time up. Sorry, Team D, the time is up. So let's have a look at the answer. He was treated in Pamplona during his injury, and then he was moved to Loyola for his recovery period, right? Okay, with this, we move forward towards Team E. Team E, I hope you're ready for your turn. Team D is requested to keep the cameras off now. Team E, are you ready, beta? All of you all, Team E?
Yes.
Switch on your cameras, E1, E2, and E3. D1 is requested to switch off the camera, please. Okay. E2, I'm not able to see E2. E2 is here. Right, E2 is here. Okay, ma'am, let's see the question for Team E. Name the society founded by Saint Ignatius of Loyola. Name the society founded by Saint Ignatius of Loyola. Raise your hand if you want to answer, children. Who wants to answer? Okay, Abel.
Jesuit Society.
Please say it again.
Jesuit Society.
Okay, let's see the answer. Yes, the answer is Society of Jesus, and we call it Jesuit Society as well. Thank you so much. And Abel, I would like to ask you, is there anybody sitting with you? Is there anybody in the room?
No, ma'am.
You sure?
Yes.
Please follow up the rules that we have been following, right? I hope there's nobody in the room with you. Thank you so much. Okay, with this, that's a correct answer for Team E. Good job, Team E. Well done. Now we go for the question for Team F. Team F, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Please switch on your cameras. F1, F2, and F3. Okay, fantastic. Okay, ma'am, can we have the question? Okay, when do we observe the feast of Saint Ignatius of Loyola? Okay, F3 rose the hand first. Please answer.
Ma'am, 31st
31st.
July.
Let's see the answer. Very good. Good job. 31st of July, we observe the feast of Saint Ignatius of Loyola. Good job. So all the teams played really well. That's a great competition going on. So with this, we finish our first round and we move on to the next round. That is round number 2. This is also a direct visual round, children. Okay, so in this round, I'd like to inform you that you have to unjumble the given letters and guess the word. For that, I'll be giving you a hint. I'll be giving you a hint and you have to guess the place or whatever the answer is and unjumble the letters given on the screen, right? So, okay, let's start with team A. Team A, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll first say the hint and then ma'am will display the letters, right? So please be all ears and attentively listen to the hint. Okay, so team A, A1, A2, and A3. I can't find A3 on the screen. Is A3 here? Okay, fantastic. Right, so the hint is, it's a place where Saint Ignatius was treated during his injury. And the screen letters are on the screen. Soham wants to answer A3.
Pamplona.
Please pronounce it again.
Pamplona.
Let's see the answer. Ma'am? Great. Good job done. Pamplona. Right answer. Good job, team A. I'm very happy with the responses and the effort being put by all the participants. Commendable. Come on, let's move on and move towards team B. Team B, are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so team A, please switch off your cameras and let's move forward. And team B, keep your cameras and mics on. All right, so your hint is, it's a place where Saint Ignatius recovered from his injury. I repeat, it's a place where Saint Ignatius recovered from his injury. So the letters are Kushal Bansal wants to answer. Please
Ma'am,
answer.
Loyola.
Please say it again.
Loyola.
Let's see the answer. That's the correct answer. Loyola. That's the right answer. Good job, team B. Very good. Good job. Okay, with this, we move forward. And team C, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Please switch on your cameras and mics. Okay, ready? Team C, I can't see you on the screen. All right, here you are. So your hint is, it's a place where Saint Ignatius was born. It's a place where Saint Ignatius was born. Lakshita rose the hand. Ma'am, can we have the letters on the screen, please?
Spain.
All right, that's the correct answer. Let's see the correct answer, ma'am. Okay, that's the correct answer. Good job, team C. Fantastic attempt. Okay, so team D, it's your turn now. Are you ready, team D? Your question is, this is one of the places where Saint Ignatius went for his pilgrimage. Ma'am, can we have the letters on screen, please? I'm sorry, Satvik, I won't give you the marks for this. And with this, we disqualify the question for team D because I heard somebody prompted the answer from background. We won't be giving the answer. We won't be giving you the marks. I request each one of you to kindly sit alone in the room when you are having the quiz. You're not allowed to have any other means to answer, please. parents are requested to leave the children alone in the room. So with this, we won't be giving the marks to team D. I'm so sorry. Okay. So answer is Jerusalem, but sorry, Satvik, we cannot give you the marks. With this, we move towards team E. Team E, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I request Shreyasi Roy, C3, kindly switch off your camera. Okay, D2, please switch off your camera. Okay, so D2, please switch off your camera, beta. It's the turn for team E. All right. So team E, your hint is he is the person with whom Saint Ignatius shared his room during his study in University of Paris. Please, ma'am, can we have the letters on screen? Abel?
Francis.
Okay, Abel, I would like to tell you as well, there is somebody there with you in the room. I'm not going to give you the points for this question. I'm sorry. As again, we will not be giving you the marks for other means. Sorry, cheating and all is not allowed during in this quiz. We can disqualify the team as well. So team D and E both won't be getting any marks in this round. I request you to kindly send the person into another room. Please sit alone in the room while you are attending the quiz. Thank you. I hope all the participants have understood the rules. Please follow up the discipline for during the quiz time. With this, we move on to team F. Team F, I hope you're ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So the right answer was Francis. Absolutely, it was the right answer. But you have to understand, as I said, we have to follow the path of truth, righteousness. We all are Zavarians and we always move forward towards, always follow the path of truth, right? Okay, so now team F. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Team F, your hint is
yes,
the final period of Saint Ignatius's life was spent here. Ma'am, can we have the letters here? Arna Pandey, please say it again.
ma'am. Rome.
Okay, team F is well prepared. So team F, F1 and F2 both have said the right answer. Let's see. Let's have a look at the answer, if it is correct or not. Yes, Rome. That's a correct answer. Good job, team F. Fantastic. All right. So with this, we come to the end of round 2. Good job. Well done. And I would like to repeat once again. Please play the game with the good sportsman spirit, right? Let's play the game. Let's play the quiz with great honesty. All right. Okay. So with this, we move forward towards round 3. So what is round 3? Any guesses? All right, let me show you. Okay, no. Let's see. So round 3 is a direct visual round. It is a multiple choice question round. Choose the correct answer. You'll see a question on the screen with 3 options, and you have to answer the correct. Okay, you have to give the correct answer. Also, please pay attention. When you say the answer, you have to tell me the number as well. When you say the answer, you have to give me the number of the option, right? So team A, please switch on your camera and mics and wait for your question. Ma'am, Reena ma'am, can we have the question for team A, please? All right, so which book is written by Saint Ignatius of Loyola? Options are Life of Christ, Book on the Lives of Saints. Third, the Spiritual Exercises. So first, I'll give this turn to Keshav because Soham, as I said, let me complete with the question. Let me finish with the question, then raise your hand. Please do not raise hand before I finish the question, right? So Keshav Trivedi, A2. Sorry, yes, A2. Please answer the question.
3. The spiritual exercises.
Let's see the answer, if it is correct or not. Yes, that's absolutely right. The answer is third, the spiritual exercises. Good job, team A. Okay, let's move forward. Team B, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sharon, please, I request you, whosoever is there with you in the room, please send that person outside the room. I know there's somebody there with you in the room. Divyansh Ulani, can you please switch off the camera? Okay. So the question for team B is, ma'am, Saint Ignatius of Loyola was born in Barcelona, Spain, or Pamplona? Okay. Aradhya, B1. Can you please answer?
Ma'am, Spain.
What is the option number?
2.
Okay, let's have a look at the answer. All right, that's the correct answer. Good job. Spain. Very good. Good job, team B. You're playing at very good, very good. All the teams are playing really well. Okay, team C, I hope you all are ready. I request team B to kindly switch off the cameras, and team C, get ready, please. Okay, C1, C2, and C3. Sharon, please switch off your camera, beta. B2, please switch off your camera. All right, so let's have a look at the question for team C. All right, so team C, the question is, in February 1522, Ignatius bade farewell to his family and went to Dash for his pilgrimage. Where did he go for his pilgrimage? Okay, Shreyasi Roy, C3. Please.
Ma'am, Paris.
Okay, let's have a look at the answer. Sorry, beta, that's the wrong answer. The right answer is Montserrat. After in 1522, Ignatius bade farewell to his family and went for his pilgrimage firstly at Montserrat. Okay, Shreyasi, please send the person whosoever is there with you in the room, and please pay attention. Otherwise, we will disqualify the team. We shall disqualify the team if you're not going to follow the rules. All right, let's move forward and go towards team D. Team D, are you ready, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Team D1. Okay, D1, D2, and D3. Keep your cameras on. Parth Kumar, I hope you know the rules, beta. You're not keeping the camera off during other teams' question time. Please keep your camera off. Parth Kumar, C2. Okay. Arna Pandey as well. All right, ma'am, can we have the question for team D? Okay, where did Saint Ignatius study? Barcelona, Loyola, or Rome? Okay, D1.
Ma'am.
Yes. Say it again, beta. Is there an
Barcelona?
Okay, Barcelona. Let's have a look. Ma'am, can we see the answer? Yeah, that's the correct answer. It's option 1, Barcelona. Correct answer, team D. Very good. Good job. All right. With this, we move towards team E. Team E, are you ready? Please keep your cameras on now.
Yes, ma'am.
E1, E2, and E3. Okay. Are you ready? D2, please keep your camera off. D2. Beta, we will cut 5 marks if you do not follow the rules. Okay, let's have a look at the question for team E. Okay, so question is, Saint Ignatius was ordained as a priest in which year? Options are 1551, 1537, 1549. Please raise your hand if you want to answer. Come on, children, time is running.
Time is up, ma'am.
Uh-oh. Okay, that's fine. So sorry, children, time is up. We have to follow the rules. Now, okay, now let's have a look at the answer. Ma'am, can we have the answer? So the option is option 2, 1537. Saint Ignatius of Loyola was ordained as a priest in year 1537, right? So this is a great knowledge for you to gain, right? Okay, now let's move forward. Team F, are you ready, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, with this, I request Team E, please keep your cameras off. Okay, Abel, ma'am, may I request you to kindly deduct 10 points from Team E because Team E is having somebody with the, E1 has somebody in the room. Despite of telling you again and again, you're still not following the rules. Beta.
मैम यहाँ कोई नहीं है.
Hey, beta, you're murmuring something. I'm not telling lie.
मैम मेरा छोटा भाई है.
No, please, it's not allowed. Please, we are deducting 10 marks. Tripta ma'am, can we do that, please?
Yes, ma'am. If you feel like we can do that.
Yes, ma'am, we'll do it. We'll do it. Thank you. 10 marks deducted from Team E. Beta, we have to follow the rules that the first thing we are taught as a student, as a Zavarian, we need to follow the honesty first, right? Okay, so Team F, sorry for the delay. Now let's have a look at your question. Okay, so Team F, Saint Ignatius of Loyola died in which year? Have a look at the options. July 1551. Okay, F1. Can you answer?
Ma'am, option 2, July 1556.
Let's have a look. Ma'am, can we have the answer, please? Absolutely right, beta. July 1556. That's the correct answer. Well played. Well played. Well played by all the teams. And that was a great competition between all the teams. And I see there is a big tiebreaker round coming up with that. And let's be prepared for tiebreaker. Before that, I'd like to ask Tripta ma'am. Ma'am, if there is any team that is ready for time.
Everyone, yes, it's a wonderful effort by all the children for this quiz, and I'm happy to announce that there are 3 teams at the same position, number 1, right now. So we have Team A, Team B, and Team F. All have given all the correct answers, so they've got all 30 points, but still you have a tiebreaker round coming up. So Jayanti ma'am, please carry forward.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. So with this, I request the team, all 3 teams, ma'am, Team A, Team B, and
Team F.
Okay, Team A, Team B, and Team F, right?
Yes.
Okay, Team A, B, and F, please keep your cameras on, right? And keep your mics ready. Keep your mics ready. Also, all the other teams are requested to keep the cameras off. All right. Okay, so I'll be giving you a question. Again, please pay attention. I'll be giving you a question. Wait for me to finish with the question. I'll first finish the question and then you will raise your hand. Okay. Now in this, the first child who raised the hand will get the opportunity to answer. Okay. I request my fellow, help team members, Pallavi ma'am, Tripta ma'am, please keep an eye. Whosoever raised first hand, will give the chance to that person. Okay. So the first question is here. Ignatius fought the war against which country? Okay, so, ma'am, who rose the hand first?
F1.
F1. Okay, Arna F1, please.
Ma'am, French.
Tripta ma'am, can we give the points to Arna? Yes, it was France basically. Yeah, he fought his war against French, but we call it, yeah, it was a country France. Okay? The war was fought against the country France. So it's the correct answer. And with this, team F1 got the 10 points. And now we have a tiebreaker between A and B, right? Okay. Good job, F1. And team F, congratulations. You are out of tiebreaker round, but you got good points. Okay, team A and B. Ready? Keep your cameras on. Be mic ready. Keep your mics ready. All right. So the question is, how many siblings did Ignatius have? Okay, that it goes to B1, I guess, ma'am.
Aradhya.
Yeah, Aradhya. How many siblings?
Ma'am, 13.
It's a tricky question. It's a tricky
That means
question.
if you give incorrect answer, you will lose points, beta. That should be a -5 for you. You should
It's a
always
tricky
think.
question. Pay attention towards the question. How many siblings did Ignatius have?
12.
Ma'am, can we? Okay, that's a good job. Very smart of you. Pallavi ma'am, do we have time?
Time is already up, ma'am.
Okay, so she gave in the answer in time limit or out of that? We'll give
In
it to
time
her.
limit.
Time
Yeah.
limit. Okay, good job, Aradhya. Ma'am, what do we do, Tripta ma'am?
I think you should give it to Radhya. Team B plus
Okay.
5.
Okay. And now we have the proper final scores with us.
Final scores, ready, children. You already know, but I still congratulate each one of you for putting up such a brave effort. And with this, I announce the results. First position goes to Team F. Congratulations. Team B, second position, and Team A, the third position. Rest of you, better luck next time. All the best.
Fantastic, great attempt given by all the participants, our smart Zavarians. Great job done. And I congratulate all of you for the great effort that you have put in. Thank you all my fellow teachers, my team members. Thank you, Father, for gracing the occasion. Thank you, Mona ma'am, for supporting. Now I request Pallavi ma'am to kindly deliver the vote of thanks.
A very good evening, everyone. It's my privilege to express gratitude and extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. A special mention to our dear headmaster, Father Brito, for his constant support and for standing as a pillar of strength. I would like to thank our assistant headmistress, Mona ma'am, for being the motivation who encourages us to do our best. I extend my sincere thanks to Jayanti ma'am for being a wonderful quiz master, Reena ma'am for helping us in all the visual rounds, Tripta ma'am for the tabulation, and Nilotpal sir for his technical assistance. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents for their rock-solid support and encouragement. Thanks to all the parents. And finally, I would like to thank our participants who made this event joyful with their impressive performances. Thanks to each one of you. Thank you.
Now I request all the participants to kindly log out one by one. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to the winners.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.